Hi everybody, Cheri Sicard, aka Cannabis Cheri here, and I'm here today to talk about some great cannabis resources for all of you. Before I do that though, I just want to remind everybody, hit that YouTube subscribe button and notification bell because I try to upload new videos every Wednesday, and hit that like button too if you get value out of my videos. It helps us be seen in YouTube's algorithms. Okay, what I wanted to talk about today was just all the cannabis resources that I do have available for you, because I was really surprised somebody who had been following me on YouTube for a long time the other day was not aware that I had a website with hundreds of recipes or online courses. So I wanted to tell you about the various places and ways you can connect and the resources I have available. So cannabischeri.com, Cheri is Cheri, is my website. And if you're into edibles, you're going to find hundreds and hundreds of tasty tested edibles recipes there. There's all kind of tutorials on everything cannabis, from cooking and topicals making to research on cannabis and health, and all kind of topics, even fun things like travel and events. It's a really huge website, and we cover kind of all aspects of cannabis. So if you haven't checked that out, do go to cannabischeri.com. At the website, I have a free weekly newsletter. So every Friday in your inbox, you'll get a different cannabis recipe and some sort of article or product review or something of interest to cannabis users. That comes out every Friday. That's completely free. Also, if you're into making edibles and topicals, we have a free Facebook group where you can connect with other edibles and topicals makers. And really, I started the group so people had a quick and easy way to ask me questions. It was started really for students of my online courses, which brings me to Cannademy. Cannademy, like academy with Cannademy. Those are where my online courses are. Now I have lots of online courses too. Some are free, some are cheap, some are paid. But I'm going to put a coupon code below that will get you a discount on any of the courses at Cannademy. I have a free dosing class because dosing with edibles is so important. So it's going to teach you the basics of dosing. We have edible and topicals dosing calculators that do all the math for you. Those are just $5. Beyond that, I have some really great comprehensive online courses that you can take at your own pace, and I'm always there to answer questions. And we have a comprehensive cannabis cooking course that tells you everything you need to know about making edibles. Same thing, we have a cannabis DIY topicals course that teaches you to make lots and lots of different types of topicals. If you're into gummies, gummies can be very tricky. So tricky that I created a whole online course about them. No more disappointing gummies after taking this course. And if you're brand new to cannabis, I highly recommend my crash course in cannabis, which is kind of like a great overview, probably the quickest way to get up to speed with the modern world of cannabis and what it can do for you and your health and your life. So check out all of those resources besides this YouTube channel where I try to upload new videos every Wednesday, but do check out the website, cannabischeri.com, Cheri. Also, check out the Facebook group. I will put links in the comments below to that. And of course, all the online courses, and there'll be a discount code in the comments below. Thanks for watching, everybody, and thanks for your ongoing support, and I'll see you all soon.